Welcome to our channel Electronics on Wheel and thank you for your support. Please like, comment and subscribe if you like the content of this channel. Few of our subscribers has requested to make the video on high voltage. So today we are going to take this particular topic. In this series we will cover the following topics. First topic, what is the 400 volt architecture and 800 volt architecture? Then why 800 volt charging is faster. Then we will see how to calculate the charging output from the DC stations. In last, we will try to understand that when we are using the 400 and 800 volt architecture, then is there any change in the specification of battery? If yes, then what are those changes? So we are going to cover those specification also. So we will divide these topics into 4 to 5 videos. If we get good response in terms of like and comment, we will create the further videos as well. So let's start with the high voltage architecture. So what is the high voltage architecture and why it is needed? So this is the first question which comes in our mind. So if your system is working above 60 volt, then all comes under the high voltage architecture. And why it is needed to understand it, let me give you one news example. Recently, you might have heard one news about the BYD, where they are providing the 5-minute charging on 1000 volt architecture. To reduce the charging, each OEM is shifting to the high voltage. So we will see how this charging time is related to the voltage in future videos. So this charging is possible only due to the DC charging, where we want to pump the more and more power into the battery. So in AC charging, currently you can go till 22 kilowatt. But in DC charging, you can go till 350 kilowatt in 800 volt architecture and 1 megawatt output in 1000 architecture, which is revealed by BYD, where they are claiming 5 minutes charging. In this 800 volt architecture also, you can go till 500 kilowatt also, which is given by the supercharger by the Teslas. Currently 400 and 800 volt architecture are popular in electric vehicles. All electric vehicles are moving to the 1000 volt architecture as infrastructure will develop, as we can see in case of BYD. So what are the benefits on moving to the higher voltage architecture? So more power can be pumped into the battery, which is helpful to reduce the charging time. This is the first advantage. Second, as the current will reduce on higher voltage, so smaller cross section cables can be used, therefore overall reduction in the weight of the vehicle. Then third is the positive effect on the acceleration and the range. So in next video we will try to understand the two architecture, 400 volt architecture and the 800 volt architecture. Then in third video we will see that why the 800 volt charging is faster. So we will try to do the all the calculation here. So if you like the content of this video, please like and comment. I will make the second video.